I chose to do the scenario with the 4-year-old girl. Here's what I came up with. I can see that you're very frustrated. It is difficult to control the words we say when we are very frustrated, but I believe you can do it. You told me nobody likes me. It is not kind to tell people nobody likes them. I feel very sad when you say things like that. It might make you sad too when you realize that your words made me feel sad. A better way to get your feelings heard would be to explain them calmly. It's much easier for me to hear and understand your feelings when you speak calmly. For now, you will have 4 minutes in timeout. This will give you time to calm down so you can explain your feelings to me. Next time you feel very frustrated, let's try taking 3 deep breaths together, like this. That helps me feel calm when I'm frustrated. After we do that, we can talk about why you're frustrated and whether we can change any circumstances to help you feel less frustrated. I love you. I will set a timer for 4 minutes.